Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making bracelets. I don't know how many I'm gonna make, but I'm gonna make them. Stay tuned of what I have in store or what the creation I have that God gives me. So I want to know how was y'all day today. My day was great. How about y'all's today? This is the color that I'm going with today, and whatever other color that I have going on with the other ones. But I'm gonna be making these colors, and then whatever other color come to my own that God gives me, that's what I'm gonna be making. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do some offline, off camera. Then I'm gonna do some on camera, and then show you how it looks. Okay, so if you can see, this is what I have so far, and then I'm gonna be doing some more. It's like a pattern on it. Well, I'm doing a pattern. It ain't like a pattern. I'm doing a pattern. Gotta make sure my mic's still on because it be going dead on me. I ain't got time for all that. Be thinking you're talking in the mic and then all of a sudden it go out. I don't like that. Makes me mad. So I'm about done with it. I'm gonna call this one probably I don't know yet. I know it's gonna be orange, but orange splash or something like that, because that's what it's really giving. Orange splash. You know what I'll do? I'll get them out the way and twirl it around. Probably take this one off and put this back on. And stretch it out. You know my regular routine of what I do. You watch me long enough. I'm not gonna tie it too tight. I don't want it to be too tight on the wrist. Then put it through the hole. I do all that whenever I'm done, but this is what it looks like. Looks like this. Okay, now I'm gonna go with this one right here. Let's see what this gonna look like with it. Then of course I'm gonna put spacers in between. I'm gonna put these ones right here. The flat spacers. I ain't have enough of these, so I had to stretch it the best way I know how. Well, the best way to get what I'm doing to look right. The pattern to look right. There you go. Ain't running away from me. Yeah, it thought it was gonna run on the floor. Nope. Just like this without. Oh, I don't. Well, I guess it did run away. And I'm gonna finish the rest offline and then come back. So this is, stretch it out. Ooh. Let me help you get the piece. Stretch it out and tie it up. I'm sorry about that. But anyways, cut it off, the string off, and put it through here. See, this is the orange splash. Now, I'm about to do the last one, and I hope it don't look like it's going to be enough, really, but I'm going to let it stretch out. See, stay tuned. Okay, so I had to go with some different beads to go by. I had to do a different kind of beads. It's the same beads, but different design to go with this. So I'm gonna do some and come back on on the camera to show y'all what it looks like so far. So I'm about finished with it. Hold on, first what I'm gonna do is take it and go around to see how much more I have to do so it can fit right on this. Yep. And put a little another. Hold on. I didn't even. Nope. See, there you go. So this is what I've gotten. Let me string trying to get away from me, trying to slide out my hand. See how this go. Um, I'll put this one in the middle. And this is what I have. Okay, so now what I'm going to do with these is, as usual, put them in here. Put it in here. And then put it in the bag. I don't know if I said this is for somebody that wanted this color, so I made it for them. And I know I said, excuse me, I know I said that I was going to make some more bracelets on this video, but I only got storage for this one. So, yeah. So this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video.